how to turn off purchase verification in Google Play Store. This tutorial shows you how to disable authentication for app purchases. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Authentication. Moving forward, tap on Require Authentication for Purchases. Afterwards, you'll see options like for all purchases through Google Play on this device, every 30 minutes, or never. In addition to that, select Never if you want to disable purchase verification completely. Once there, you may be prompted to enter your password to confirm the change. Subsequently, enter your password and tap OK. Moreover, keep in mind that turning off authentication means anyone with access to your device can make purchases. Afterwards, your purchase verification is now disabled for the Play Store. And that's it. If this purchase verification guide helped you customize your Play Store settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.